Morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Cornish Beach, walking around. I don't have appointment this morning, that's why I show you that there is Cornish. This is Cornish Beach near WTC. This ocean is very long. This is along Cornish Street. See the ocean. That side is the Mina Port, Abu Dhabi. All the cruise ship, the yate, all the fishing boat and passenger boat is there. That side of the, in the right side. And the left side is the Marina Mall. There. That side is Marina Mall. Anyway guys, happy weekend. Enjoy your this is Cornish Street. In the back of that building is WTC Mall. You see, this ocean is very long. Going to Marina Mall and going to Mina. You know, when I first coming here in UAE, almost all this place is all water, ocean or the sea, but they just put the soil or the sand so that they can build a building. When I first coming here 2008, only little land. Most of all this place is all water, but they just put all the soil from the mountain and make the sea dry so that they can build a house or a building. I saw a grass, a tall grass, a tree. It's like it's not developed yet. The Rim Island before is not even have a house before. See, I'll show you that. That side is Marina Mall and this side is Mina Port. All the cruise ship from the other country, international cruise ship, the yate, the boat, passenger boat and fishing boat is there in that Mina Port. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. That's the Cornish Street. And next road is Khalifa Street. See, in the back of that building is WTC Mall. And this is Cornish Beach. I'm always walking here if I don't have appointment during my day off. Every Saturday is my day off. That's why if I don't have appointment in the morning, I try my best to go walking around here to exercise and to smell the salty water from the ocean. And it's now the water is very quiet because there is no wind. It's not windy today. It's already hot, that's why some of the people walking here a while ago is already went home. They already went home. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, share, leave a comment, heart, and don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Happy weekend, happy Valentine's Day. Bye.